I wanted to share with you an idea I've had for years, just now getting around to doing. I've got 3 lawn tractors that I use for various things. I keep 2 of them. I'm in the garage now. 2 of them's up at the barn. They sit there all winter, and I got lazy and wasn't diligent. I used to take the batteries out and bring them in the garage and keep them topped up all winter. Had pretty good luck doing that. Well, I had one, they're all old anyway. Had one go bad. So I'm finally getting around to doing a quick disconnect and connect with alligator clips. These happen to be 30 amp, like you can buy these about anywhere for, say, a trolling motor, things like that. A lot of things use these that are not permanent, like inverters. I got a weed sprayer that uses that, and just a lot of things, and they work just fine. So I thought, well, why don't I do this so that I don't have to go through the hassle of going up the barn, find a dead one, and I can swap with the other one if I have to very quickly. Now this is my horn, so we'll ignore that. The reason I got a horn on here, sometimes I'm out mowing and the wife's out doing gardening or something, I can toot the horn, remind her what kind of an idiot I am. So I just soldered mine on, and there's probably better clips you could use, maybe something with a wing nut or whatever, but the idea is, if I need to swap a battery out in a pinch without going through the hassle of unbolting it and whatnot, I can just go ahead and just take them off, get them out of the way, pop it out. Of course, none of mine are tied down, and I don't know what happened to the tie downs over the 20-some years of this stuff, but it works just fine. It's not a car. So that's what I finally got around to doing it. And you know, I could pull one of these out if I have to easily to start the generator. I got the generator set up the same system. It just makes everything easier. Like I said, wintertime gets around, I can pop them out, bring them down here to the garage, no problem. I don't have to go through all that headache. So just something I wanted to share with you. And so far, everything's been working fine. Now, if you got extra wires or something, you know, you make sure you deal with that. However you would want to do it. But that's just my silly little idea. I just thought I'd share it with you. So, there you go. I hope you found it interesting, educational, entertaining, or something.